Crap, you saw me recording you, didn't you? Oh well. In case you missed it, my cat was trying to, well, my cats were watching the birds, and this one, my black cat, whose name is Yancy, was yodeling almost, well, not yodeling, but meowing at the birds that fly up on top of my roof, and he usually climbs into the window and does this, and he usually opens his mouth and does like a yodeling almost sound, almost, well, not a yodeling sound, but that what you just see. He's not meowing. He has a very low meow. I've caught him almost totally in the window, climbing up, trying to yodel to the, trying to catch the birds. But the funny thing is, he's very silent. And this one over here is just watching in the background, giving him a rating. I was thinking about putting a soundtrack, a sound effect into the into that area where he opens his mouth and tries to meow, but try to jitter his teeth. But yeah, this is what I deal with every single day of him seeing birds. And this one's name is Anastasia. She's a very nice cat, but she's also very mean as well. She's lovely, but there'll be more to come on her later on, but I'm not going to tell you anything about her right now. I would just like to say this is I'm going to try to keep a recording of myself doing these things, of everything. There's a reason why they always come. The one that, see? That plus my cat, plus this cat, plus that equals fun times. So if I keep this going, I'll be sure to keep it going. Well, see you later, guys, and take care.